All right, this is the SketchUp video for the butterfly house. If you'd like to try to draw without the video, you should be able to use this picture and this layout drawing, and this is where your butterfly slots go. You should be able to draw it with those three. I've had a few kids successfully do that. So here we go. I'm gonna draw it out just how I built it. So bottom, side, add the front, add the back, add the roof, add these three pieces in front, and then cut out my slots. So I'm gonna start with this bottom piece. It's 5.5 by 3.5. All my boards are 3/4 thick, or 0.75. So I'm gonna go pencil. I'm gonna go along the green, 3.5, along the red, 5.5, back on the green, 3.5, close it up. I'm gonna go push-pull up, 0.75, so there's my bottom. Then I'm gonna draw these two pieces on my sides. So up 5.25, over on the green 3.5, close it up, push pull 0.75, gonna spin around here to the other side, up on the blue 5.25, over on the green 3.5, close it up, push pull 0.75. Okay, so I got these three drawn. I'm going to move to my front and my back. So 6 tall, and then in 2 3/4, up 2 3/4. So I'm going to go ahead and come out and draw the whole bottom. So I'm going to come out on the green 0.75, over on the red 5.5, close it up. I'm going to push pull it up 6, grab my pencil, hover and find the midpoint. I'm going to come up on the blue 2.75 to that corner, back to the top to that corner, grab the eraser, erase that line, push pull this piece out to the front, or you could type 0.75, grab your eraser, erase, erase, erase. Got that piece done. If that line bugs you, you can erase it, but you're going to cover it up later anyways. Okay, I need to do, so I got one of these. I need to do the other one, the exact same. Just add the slots for the butterflies. So click, out on the green 0.75, over on the red 5.5, close it up, push pull, up 6, pencil, midpoint, up the blue 2.75 to that corner, back to the top, to that corner, erase, push pull 0.75, eraser, erase, erase, erase. All right. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut out my little butterfly slots now. I think it'd be easier to do without having my roof in the way. So I need this for that. So these are 1 3/8 from the edge, 1 3/8 from the edge, and then I got all my up and downs, and then these are 2 3/4 from the edge. So that'd be the center. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go from the center up 1 7/8, and then up another 1 1/2. All right, so pencil, find the midpoint, make sure it's blue. You might have to go above it to get it blue. So here's how you can type your fractions if you don't remember. 1 space 7/8. Enter. And then I'm going to go another, make sure it's blue, 1.5. Circle tool, find that endpoint of that first one, right there. Click, come out on the red. We're going to go 5/32 for our radius, because those were 5/16 diameter holes. So 5/32, top one, out, 5/32. Grab your eraser, clean up all your reference lines. I'll come back later and make those into slots. Okay, I'm going to use the tape measure. I don't know if we've used that yet, but it'd be helpful here. I'm just going to click the end point of this line, come in on the red, 1 space 3/8, enter. Same on this side, 1 space 3/8, enter. And then that was 5 3/8 from the bottom, and then 1.5 to the next one. So I'm going to go pencil up, 5 space 3/8, and then another 1.5. Circle, find the endpoint over 5/32, endpoint over 5/32. Clean up my reference lines. Okay. From the intersection, up on the blue, 5 space 3/8, and then another 1.5. Circle tool, endpoint over on the red, 5/32, endpoint over on the red, 5/32. Clean up my reference lines. All right, I think I'm going to go ahead and put these pieces on. I think it'd be easier without having my roof in the way. So that is these three. You guys, when you built it, I just kind of let you space them out evenly. I found some numbers that work pretty decent. So I'm going to go from the peak here down, make sure it's blue. Notice mine keeps wanting to grab that green axis. Make sure it's blue. I'm going to come down 3.25, over to the edge, and then down 2.75. Find that endpoint and connect to there. Then click again and draw a line on the same red axis as the one you just drew. Clean up your reference lines. Okay. Now, one of those is 4 3/4, so we'll draw the longer one first because the other one butts into it. So pencil along this line, 4.75. And then I'm going to go, see if it'll give me a perpendicular too. No, that would be purple. All right, let's go tape measure from the midpoint. There we go. There's a perpendicular too. Make sure it's purple. That means it's at a right angle to the line you're drawing. 0.75. Okay, then just use the intersection. Draw along that line, 4.75 again. Connect. Erase your reference line. And then we're going to do the same thing. Find this, tape measure. Find this midpoint, perpendicular to, so it's purple, 0.75. And that one is 4 inches long. So intersection, come along that line, 4. Start here, come along that line, 4, connect, erase your reference line. Okay, push pull, that is 1 inch. They're all 1 inch deep. Push pull, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then we need to erase, erase, erase. Uh-oh, something disappeared when I did that one. No, it didn't. Erase, erase. And there's one under there, I see. If it's bugging you, you can erase it. Okay, we're almost there. We got this piece, which is this piece. 2 inches by 1 inch by 3/4. So, from the midpoint, let's go up 0.5. I think that'll work out. To the left 1 inch, up on the blue 0.75, right 2, down on the blue 0.75, back to where we started, eraser, push pull, 1, cool. All right, gotta add my roof, cut out my slots, and I'm done. Actually, let's go ahead and cut out these slots. So grab your pencil, side to side, side to side, erase, erase, push pull, 0.75. Do that to all 3. Side. Try to keep those blue when you're going up and down. That tells you they're perfectly straight. Erase. Push pull. 0.75. All right, just got to add my 2 roof pieces. So we're going to draw the smaller roof section first, which is 6 by 4 3/4, with the overhang toward the front. So let's start on the back peak, come out along the green 6. It'll close that in, that's fine. I'm going to go back to the back peak along that line, so purple, because it's an extension line, 4.75. Along the green 6, and connect. All right, now you might have to get your orbit just right to do this step, because we want a extension line from this angle, so it's got to be purple. Okay, 0.75. Then I'm going to go along the green 6 again, connect there, push pull that face to that corner. So there is that one. And then my last one is 5.5 by 6. So I'm going to go extension line, which is purple, 0.75, left on green, 6, close it up, and then I'm going to push pull that one, 5.5, and I should be done. All right. You can come show me, get you a good screenshot, put it in your folder, and that is that.